Short paragraph No. 1. A disappointing incident in my life. Life is a combination of joy and sorrow. Some incidents leave a long-lasting impact on the mind. Such an incident had kept me disappointed for months. It was the sudden murder of my friend Salim. His forefathers had long-term enmity. The opponents killed him when Salim was going to a market. He was my close friend. Seeing his dead body, I was shocked. I accepted the bitter reality of mortality. At that time, I decided to leave everything. Life seemed to me very temporary and useless. Death is the ultimate reality. I was so disappointed that I stopped going to school. Then with the passage of time and the efforts of my parents, I started returning to normal life but took months to shed the impacts of that incident. That incident is still present in my mind and perhaps will never be forgotten.